When you've decided that your project is big enough, you are going to attach, and you can just go into a regular stitch to be able to attach your yarn and do a standing single crochet. And then you can just single crochet yourself all the way across then. So the final 2 rows are just single crochet. I'll see you at the end of the row in a moment. And you can turn your work and do row number 2. And so this will be your very final. You're on the wrong side of it. And so when you go to start your border, if you're deciding to add one, then you will make sure you're on the right side of the project, or the right side to start that, so that your right side is facing up. So this will give you a nice balance with the beginning. If you roll the dice to change out the color, then therefore the borders on both sides could actually be completely different colors, like they are with mine. So you'll fasten in your yarn and be done with it. And you can see that the journey started here. And then what you would want to do is just wet block it, just damp it a bit, just lay it flat to dry, kind of stretch it out, and it will all work out in the end. This is it for today. We hope you've enjoyed this stitch along.